Got leaves everywhere and the window broke. Could be a lizard in here or anything. All right, so this is our room tour. We got a little kitchen here. I guess it's called a kitchenette, right, babe? Kitchenette. Nice size table. Got a let out sofa. And I love the colors in here. Gorgeous. Nice size TV. I'm sure it's a balcony, but we got here late, so it's pretty dark. Yeah, can't see nothing. Oh yeah, so this is the room. Very nice. 1 bedroom. Love it. TV over there. Probably has a balcony. But once again, can't see. Yeah, there's a balcony. And a lovely tub and shower. That's me. So that's the room tour. Nice and quaint. Cleaning your shoe, babe. It's called.
You put your foot on it like this. I put my foot up too high and touch the dust. When your foot on it, it make it open up.
What?
You don't know about that?
What? You mess your shoe up?
I said, new car, the trunk open when you put your foot under it.
Oh, okay.
You know about that, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you put your foot up too far? Why you put your foot up so far? You only supposed to wave your foot. You try to kick it.
It won't work.
You're a mess. I can't. How you did it again? How you did it, man? You supposed to wave your foot under the truck. tell you how to do it. You a mess. I can't. Bye. It's right. Yeah, it is nice. But don't let the bugs in. Okay? Oh, it's nice. Oh, but you can't see anything. I know we're supposed to be by the pool. We're not by the pool.
We're by the pool on the front side. We got a lake view. Look at the lake view.
Oh, okay. We got okay.
And in the front we have
What
got a
is
little
that?
table. We can play spades, dominoes. Who want their ass whooped?
Oh no, I can't look down there. Ooh, I gotta go.
We're on the top floor. She's scared. Yeah. We got a lake view, a pool view in the front. So nice. So nice. Top floor.
Let's do a TikTok. Hit you with the
Sound like
Let's
it.
Good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel, April Lifestyle. I'm in Orlando after the storm, of course. We just took a road trip. We were supposed to go to the track, but it was canceled. So we're just chilling out, me and hubby. And we're probably gonna hit up the mall, Halloween Horror Night. And I want to go to this huge gas station that my mother-in-law told us about years ago and pick up something that you guys won't believe that my hubby loved, and now I love it too. So stay tuned, keep watching, please subscribe, and I'll keep you posted. But first, we're gonna do an outfit of today. This is my outfit. It's kind of cool in Orlando, so I just threw something because it was just a road trip, you know. What is it?
Hustle and silent. I'm a trapper.
Oh, yeah.
Granddad name Trapper?
Yeah.
All right, Trapper. See it right there?
Oh,
Trap.
all right. Nice. Okay. So that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna get out and get some breakfast. Let's see. Oh, look at that.
Come on, we want to play
It
cards.
is
We
nice.
want to play dominoes. Like good
Nobody's
domino
playing.
table right there.
Nobody's playing dominoes.
Alright.
Look, very
Look at
nice.
that.
It does, doesn't it? But it's so dark at night, you guys. So dark. I sound like a man. My voice so in the morning. But this is what it looks like in the back. But like I said, this is our weekend in Orlando. Unfortunately, we didn't make it to the track, but we're gonna make the best out of it. And stay tuned.
in here. All the fast food in the mall, man. Coming soon.
Wow.
Yeah, all right. It's gonna be lit in the mall.
Oh yeah.
Tuesday in the mall.
I made it to Zara. Look in here and see what I want. I really only love their bodysuits, but let's see. What is this? Good lighting. Oh my God, I thought I lost my glasses. I always lose my glasses. Oh, look. That's my little drinky drink. Hubby made me a little drinky drink. Thanks, hubby. I'm headed to the Big Kahuna. Ooh. Just to lounge a little bit. Get our drinks. A pool area. You can't really see it. You have to go over there. I don't see it. I don't see the bee anymore. He's running from a bee, y'all.
A million. I'm starting with just you, and you.
What? You're a mess, bro.
Ain't hard. I gotta arrest these old dogs. Show these old dogs. I gotta arrest these old dogs. They've been in the mall all day. That's how you arrest your dogs. You put them in water. Let them soak. Got a little more traveling to do.
I don't have a pedicure, so I really don't want to show mine. Looks a hot mess. You should have sung it, cowboy.
Lay out there singing, and she out here singing for the Dallas Cowboys out here.
Karaoke night, y'all.
Dallas Cowboys.
Wells, your orders at the bar. Jacob Wells.
Now take your left hand and
Put it on your side. What's wearing there, boy? What you got on there, boy?
Got about 500-600 on me.
You're a mess. We're here. Universal Studios. Woo! We made it. We made it.
Man, I don't know. I think this way up. That sign right there.
And it's pretty long.
Now accept your praise. I am the Pumpkin Lord.
Oh, last day. We're leaving today, actually. We never came on this side to hang out. We were on the other side. This is the nice, quiet side of the pool. It's nice. The water. Oh, very nice. This is me. It wasn't so bad because we did come during the storm, after the storm, so that's good. What's underwater? Oh my God, look at the dock. Oh wow. Yeah, the dock is almost covered. But other than that, it wasn't too bad over here in this area. Have the little, yeah, and they have jet skis. What are those boats called? I forgot. Paddle boats. Oh, they have the paddle boats. They have jet skis. What's this? I guess you can rent a boat. I don't know. Rent yourself, babe. Me too. Always too. Till next time. That's how you do it.
If I was leaving there, I ain't gonna lie, every game we would make about $800.
Yeah.
And we were busting it down.
Made it to my
4
friend
hours
house.
deep.
Hi, it's your girl T here in Osceola County. My girl April came to see me. Hey. Now let me show you around Osceola County. Hey.
I just wrote this one today too. Told her when I get rich, I'll buy everything. We made love up on the stars, I gave her Saturn rings. When she look into my eyes, I can't feel anything. Swear to God, I'm paralyzed, your love is everything.